All right, so we're going to solve this equation. We're trying to solve for x. So what we have is negative 5.7 is equal to negative 6x minus 8.1. And so what we need to do is isolate the variable. And if we're isolating the variable, remember we're going to use PEMDAS, but in reverse. So the first question that we always ask ourselves, is the variable by itself? Um, if it's by itself, no, it's not. We see that we are multiplying by negative 6x, or sorry, we're multiplying x by negative 6, and then we're subtracting 8.1. Okay. So what we need to do is remember PEMDAS. We're going to start with addition or subtraction. I do see subtraction, so I'm going to go on and use the inverse operation for that, which is plus or addition. So we're going to add 8.1 to both sides. The reason that we're doing that is because we want to cancel it out on the side that has the variable. All right, and so in canceling it out, we want it to be equal to 0 if you're adding or subtracting. And remember, if you're multiplying or dividing, you need it to be equal to 1. All right, so what we have is going to be 8.1. Well, we have 5.7. That's negative, and then we're adding 8.1. And that's going to give us 2.4. So we have 2.4. Okay, so remember, all we're doing is just bringing down what we have, right? So we're bringing that down. And then we have our negative 6x. Okay, and this cancels out. Negative 8.1 plus 8.1, that cancels out. So that's no longer there. And so is the variable by itself? No, because I see that we're multiplying by negative 6. I'm going to use the inverse operation. Remember, you're working your way on up. Using the inverse operation, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 6. Divide by negative 6. Well, actually, if I just ignore this decimal, that's the same thing as 24. So 24 divided by 6 will be 4. Okay. And then it's one decimal. It's to the left of one place value. So I'm going to move this one place value. Okay, so that's the same thing as zero point 0.4. I see a positive and a negative, so this is going to be negative zero point 0.4. Okay, so you could also write this as 0.4. Okay, so either one of these is correct. The answer for, oh, sorry, um, finishing off over here. Negative 6 divided by negative 6, that cancels out. And so you're left with x. Okay, so x is equal to negative zero point 0.4 or negative 410.